friends, welcome back to my channel. Season's greetings, Merry Christmas, Happy Thanksgiving, and if you're new, welcome.
So yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing my nail kit remover. I've had these nails for just a week today. I only use them to test out my polygel and acrylic. So I've got acrylic on these fingers. These are acrylic and these are polygel. Similar to this, acrylic again, polygel. But this one, these nails are just a tester type of nails, so I just tried to ombre polygel and acrylic underneath. So this is the acrylic kit that I use. It's from Amazon. I actually got it on sale, so I got it for £7, and I just got the kit just to test out my acrylic skills, because you know I only use polygel, like I'm just so used to polygel. So I just wanted to get a little cheap kit just to test out my acrylic skills. And the acrylic colors I used were the light pinks, so the two lightest pinks on my ring finger and my pinky are the acrylic colors. So in this video, what I'm going to try to do is use this kit to take off, to see how quickly I can take off both polygel and acrylic. And I'm going to be using my 𝐁𝐮𝐬𝐲 99% acetone. I hope you can all see that. I'm going to be using it to take off my nails. So let's see how this works. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I've got a nail art brush. That is so cute to me. Oh my gosh. Then we've got some, I guess these are lint wipes, I guess. And yeah, I love these disposable pads because they're excellent for people who don't have acetone at home. I'm going to put it in the clips just to see how much it will take off. So I'm just going to put these up here. We've also got the foil, which is so good. It's so great. You don't have to go down. You just put the 100% or 99% acetone on this, and then you wrap it up into your finger. For this, the cuticle pushers. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. These are so cute. I love the colors, the green and the orange. These are for toes, as you can see, it says toe right there. These are for your toes, to soak off the polish on your toes, and these are for your fingers. It says nail. I'll take them out. But yeah, these are the clips. Ooh, this is so cute. Okay, this is to scrape off. This is the scraper to scrape off all the remaining. Okay, and this is to this is so cute. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, yes, we've got the pump. As you can see, it pumps to pump out the, oh my gosh, and it just snaps, guys. So these are Velcro bandages that you put around the nail clips when you're soaking off your nails, just to give it more security. Side note, I really love the color. Yes, we've got the nail nippers to nip down the nail. We'll use that in a second. Yay! I've got another buffing block. Buffer block. This is so cute. Oh, pink. I love pink. I love pink. Okay, so that's okay. And then we've got the nail brush. Cute. Nail clippers. So this kit has everything you would need. I got this in my polygel kit. And this is just so much better what I actually need. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. I love this so much. And then, yep, we've got the bowl to soak off. With the soak off bowl. It's pretty deep, you know. So, you get all your nail in there. Then we've got the toe separators with the love heart. So cute. Okay, so I'm going to try to do three different methods. I'm going to do 1, 2, and I'm going to do the soak off method, just so you can all see which one might work the best for you. So I'm going to take this out just so you can see. This storage box is so amazing. It's a great organizer. It's going to keep everything in place, everything neat. So I'm really glad the kit came with it.
before you do any of the 3 removal methods, you're gonna have to take down the bulk of your nail, and you have 2 options. One being filing it down with the file that comes with the kit, and I really like this file because it's 100 grit, which is really coarse, and it can take down the bulk of the nail. Then also you've got the e-file method, which is the method I'm going to be using today. Just a quick word of advice: before you actually start clipping your nails down, lift your fingers up and have a look where your natural nail starts, so you know exactly where you're clipping. You might want to do this upside down, or just check quickly before you flip your hands back over. So these are what my nails look like before the soak off. In hindsight, I definitely should have taken down a lot more product. So just out of habit, I grabbed my own personal cotton pads when I actually planned to use the nail removal pads that came with the kit. But don't worry guys, I ended up using it later on. At this point, if you wanted extra security, you can then use the Velcro bandage to hold everything more securely. As you can see, I've got the clips on my thumb, the foil on my index and one of my ring fingers, and I'm going to use the soak off ball for the rest of my fingers. This position is a little bit awkward, but I'm just doing it so you can all see the 3 methods in action. So about 3 to 5 minutes in, I got a little bit impatient and started scraping off the first layer of acrylic that got a bit soft, and then I noticed that the edges of my polygel were lifting up a bit, so I tried to flick it off. I don't recommend you do this because you could damage your nail. What I should have done is filed a little bit more so I wouldn't have so much product to deal with, really. So I use tips for my nails, and what you're seeing now is just the softened tips and glue, and I'm just scraping it off because I just want this whole process to be over and done with. So at this point, I'm using the nail removal pads that came with the kit, and I'm having a little bit of a wobble with keeping it on. And if you're someone who struggles with it as well, I'm gonna show you a trick on how to do it and get it right every single time. So what you do is you flip the clip upside down, place the wipe on the larger side, and then place your finger upside down as well, and that's it. I'm going to show you it again. So this process took a lot longer than I would have liked and a lot longer than it should have, because I didn't file my nail down as close to my natural nail bed as I could. So I ended up having to file my nail down a lot more before the entire process was done. So I'm done getting all the products off my nail. I'm just going to use the nail removal pads just to get all the debris off my entire fingers before I go in to clean my cuticles and apply top coat and all that stuff. So my final thoughts on this kit is it's absolutely perfect. I would give it a 10 out of 10 because it has everything you need, including the storage box for organization. It's also very affordable on Amazon, so I do recommend it. 10 out of 10, and I'll definitely have the link either in my description box or in the pinned comments in the comment section. Please excuse my voice, friends. It's very cold here. You can probably hear the cold in my voice, but I really do love it. I'm enjoying the weather and I'm enjoying the winter time.
Okay everyone, so I just followed the steps of the buff using the buffer block, and this is what my nails look like right now. So I'm just gonna take this and apply top coats all of my nails.
I really hope everyone is enjoying their Christmas, their winter time. Let me know in the comment section how you're all preparing for Christmas, and I hope everyone is in the Christmas mood because I definitely am. Oh, sorry, my voice. I'm so excited for all the Christmas carols, all the Christmas food, everything. I hope you all feel the same. And if you're not in the Christmas spirit, let me help you get there. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So yeah guys, enjoy your holidays, enjoy your Christmas. I love the kits. These are my nails. They're so healthy, still shiny. So I'll see you in my next video everyone. Bye.